Greetings. So I just want to make a really quick video about like a common issue that may or may not happen to you while you're living in Vietnam. So about a month ago, my phone battery just kind of like died and wouldn't charge. So I looked online in Tuduk, where I live, for a good company to go get my phone repaired. And I found this place over here called Fastcare.vn. And I went in and they replaced the battery. The battery was cheap. It was I have an iPhone 11s, and the battery, if they were to order it straight from Apple, it would cost, about $100 or more. So they replaced it with one of their batteries. I'm not sure what the brand name is or anything, and it was about half the price. So they replaced it, and my phone's been working just fine for about a month. But then yesterday, it went from like 60% to 1%, and then it wouldn't charge anymore. So it must be a faulty battery. So I took it in, they looked at the battery, they offered to replace the battery for free, but while they were looking, they found that the charging port had been damaged, and they didn't catch it the first time. So at first she was gonna charge me $1 million, that's about $40, to replace the charging port. But since they didn't catch it on the first time, they just decided to waive the charge, and they fixed everything for free. So I just wanted to give a shout out to Fastcare.vn for really good service, free of charge. Help me out and save my phone because I need my phone for work. So I think they have other locations in Ho Chi Minh City. So if you need your phone fixed, definitely check out Fastcare.vn. They can help you out. All right, that's all I got. Cheers.